Welcome back, friends. Today, we'll explore how to let go of thoughts rooted in fear, those repetitive worries or doubts that keep us stuck. This practice will help you release these thoughts and create space for clarity and empowerment. Now let's begin. Find a comfortable seated position. Let your body relax as you settle in. Rest your hands on your knees, thighs, or by your side. Gently close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so. Let's begin by taking 3 deep breaths together. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your chest rise. Pause at the top of the breath. Now exhale fully through your mouth, releasing all the tension. Let's do this again. Inhale deeply, hold for a moment, and exhale completely. Feel your body softening with each exhale. Now with your next breath, allow your attention to turn inward. Let go of the distractions around you. This is your time to find stillness and peace. Picture your mind as a vast blue sky. Each thought that arises is like a cloud drifting across the sky. Some clouds are light and fluffy, while others are darker and heavier. For a moment, simply observe the clouds. Notice the pace at which they move. Do any stand out to you? Are there certain thoughts that feel repetitive or heavy? If fear-based thoughts arise, things like, I'm not good enough, or what if something goes wrong, recognize them without judgment. Whisper to yourself, these are just clouds. They come and they go. I am the sky. Now bring your attention to one of these clouds. It might represent a worry, a doubt, or an assumption about the future. Instead of pushing it away, gently acknowledge its presence. Say quietly to yourself, I see you, thought. I know you are here because you are trying to protect me. Notice how this thought feels in your body. Does it create tightness in your chest, a heaviness in your stomach, or tension elsewhere? Breathe deeply into that space, allowing the sensation to soften as you breathe. Now imagine a gentle breeze blowing through the sky. This breeze represents your breath, and with each exhale, it carries the dark, heavy clouds away. Watch as the clouds grow smaller and lighter, eventually dissolving into the horizon. Whisper silently, I release what does not serve me. I am free from fear. If another cloud appears, let it follow the same path. No matter how many clouds arise, the sky remains vast and untouched. You are the sky, steady, strong, and open. With the clouds now gone, imagine the sky becoming brighter. The sunlight begins to pour in, warming your body and mind. This light represents empowering thoughts. I am strong. I am safe. I capable. Feel this light filling you with a sense of peace and confidence. Now bring your awareness back to your breath, feeling it flow naturally in and out. Notice the clarity and lightness in your mind. Take a moment to thank yourself for this practice. You've let go of fear-based thoughts and made space for strength and positivity. Now, when you're ready, gently start to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Take a deep breath, and on your exhale, gently blink open your eyes. Carry this sense of clarity and freedom into your day. You are amazing. You are strong. You are safe. And you are capable.